What is the peritoneum, and how does it anchor and support the organs of the digestive system?
The peritoneum is a thin, double-layered serous membrane that lines the abdominal cavity and covers many of the digestive organs. It supports and anchors the organs while still allowing them to move as food passes through the GI tract. The peritoneum has two layers. The parietal peritoneum lines the inside of the abdominal wall. The visceral peritoneum covers the outer surfaces of most digestive organs. Between these layers is the peritoneal cavity, which contains a small amount of slippery serous fluid. This fluid reduces friction, so the organs can glide smoothly during digestion. The peritoneum also forms folds and extensions that act like anchors, holding organs in place while creating a pathway for blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves. These folds are called mesenteries. Key examples include mesentery proper, which connects most of the small intestine to the posterior abdominal wall; greater omentum, a large, fatty, apron-like fold hanging from the stomach, providing cushioning and immune defense; lesser omentum, which connects the stomach and liver; and mesocolon, which anchors parts of the large intestine. Some organs, like the pancreas, duodenum, and parts of the colon, are retroperitoneal. They sit behind the peritoneum, but are still partially supported by it. A classic way to remember the major retroperitoneal structures is with the mnemonic SAD pucker. S, suprarenal glands, or the adrenal glands; A for aorta and inferior vena cava; D for duodenum, the second through fourth parts; P for pancreas, everything except the tail; U for ureters; C for colon, both ascending and descending; K for kidneys; E for esophagus, the abdominal portion; and R for rectum. These structures are posterior to the peritoneum, which means they're generally less mobile than intraperitoneal organs. This has clinical implications. For example, trauma to retroperitoneal organs can be harder to detect because bleeding is hidden behind the peritoneal lining. So, to summarize, the peritoneum is both a protective membrane and a support structure. It lines the abdominal cavity, anchors digestive organs through mesenteries, supplies them with essential vessels and nerves, and allows just enough mobility for digestion without friction or displacement.